kaninyong tanan sa ngalan sa Barangay Council, akong gihatod kaninyo ang among mainiton nga pagdapit kaninyong tanan o sa pagtambayayong sa pagsaulog nato sa atong pista Senior San Vicente, atong patron. Kaninyong tanan, welcome sa atong opening salvo nga ato pagkaymon karong gabi na.
Viva Senior San Vicente! Viva Senior San Vicente! Usab ang ato ang pagsilibrar sa ato ang kapistahan. Mumanggo na siya dakong rason si Senior San Vicente. O niya, manindot unta ang karon nga piyesta, pagsuulog sa atong piyesta, magkahiusa unta. Andam na ba mo para sa atong pagsilibrar sa atong kapistahan? Andam na ba?
Hey, I heard you were a wild one. Ooh, if I took you home and be a home run, show me how you do. I wanna shut down the club with you. Hey, I heard you like the wild ones, wild ones, wild ones.
I like crazy, foolish, stupid, probably going wild, fist pumping music. I might lose it, glass to the roof, how we lose it, lose it, lose it. I don't care tonight, she don't care, we like almost there, the right vibe, ready to get live, ain't no surprise, take me so high, jumping those dives, surfing the crowd. Ooh, said I gotta be the man, I'm the head of my band, mic check 1, 2. Shut them down in the club where the Playboy does, till they all get low.
Now declare the Bunawon Fiesta 2025 is now open.
Hey, I heard you were a wild one. If I took you home and be a home run, show me how you do. I wanna shut down the club with you. Hey, I heard you like the wild ones, wild ones, wild ones. I am the wild one, break me in, saddle me up and let's begin. I am the wild one, tame me now, running with wolves and I'm on the prowl.